guys, PowerShell is not a programming language. Remember, it's not a pure form of programming language. Like Python is a programming language. Okay, Java is a programming language. C, C++ programming languages, .NET programming languages, object oriented or not object oriented, whatever it is. But thing is, PowerShell is not a programming language. Just like a Linux or a Unix, Bash commands, Bash scripting, same as PowerShell. PowerShell commands, PowerShell scripting. Okay, and in a PowerShell there is a lot of things are there. Commands, commandlets. We have seen the commandlets, different type of commandlets, web down kind of stuff, get, set, start, stop, remove. Okay, kind of stuff. Okay, other one or two kind of stuff also I showed, right? Next, PowerShell as a scripting, you can write a different type of scripts. Certain scripts just we have to change a little bit and directly we have to execute it. Okay, to learn the scripting language, so compulsory know how to give a variable. I showed how to give a variable, different data types, different operators. Okay, different pipelining methods, filters, this kind of stuff. If it is there, we can try it. And if condition and loop conditions, switch conditions. Switch condition. Okay, switching, like this is a different part of things like database connections, reading files. So there is so many other parts of the scripting is there. Already I told there is a beautiful concept of PowerShell is PowerShell DSC, PowerShell execution policies also there. These execution policies are like you want to run a script, you want to install some application, you want to connect remotely. So these are execution policies should be like this. There is a certain execution policies are there. So these execution policies will you try to protect your system from remote executions, remote connections, okay, application executions kind of stuff. So these are all kind of stuff. Okay, so you have to check it. You have to go to get execution policy list. What kind of policies are there? So what kind of policies are there? How to set the policies? How to bypass the policies? Kind of stuff. Okay. I am going back to my script part. So first one is if statement. We know the if statement. If will try a expression, so it will try. If it is a true, then it execute under the statements. Okay, if it is a false, it exits from the loop. So that's a very simple if statement. So this is a syntax of if statement. So here it is curly brackets. Okay, a few little points are there. So that's point we'll see. This is how if statement should be written. Normally, you can write if statement here, but it will give us a little confusion. So that's why I'm writing if statement here. Okay. So okay, I'm taking two values. So one is $A, okay, or $X you can take it. So $A is 120. So $B is 32. No. If $A is greater than $B, see the syntax sits in a round brackets. Remaining statement it is in the complete curly brackets. So you open the curly bracket and close the curly bracket. or you can write under this one also, no problem. Okay, so you can write here. So you can write like this: echo a value is greater than b. So we'll try to execute this thing. Okay, so we got a output: a value is greater than b value. So where to put. Okay, so this is the first example. Okay, but when you see an output, you don't look like it is like a one output. It is everything is executing kind of stuff, right? So what I'm doing is I'm going to save it under if-script1 script4 is specifically if statement, right? Okay, so then yeah. Run the script here, /4. This is a value is greater than b value. You don't want like this. You want to read it from the host, like read host. That one. So a read host. No. A. So save it. I'm running the script from here. A value 22, b value 55. No output because a is smaller. I didn't give in any secondary condition. Okay, so you have to give secondary condition. If first condition is not satisfied, then give the else condition kind of stuff. Is also a single statement. So we'll go with the if-else statement here. If first condition not satisfied, what to do? Do the second one. You have to put a else statement here. So I am implementing else here. Else again, curly bracket open, curly bracket close, and put a echo a value is not greater than b or smaller than b, whatever it is. You can write why it is showing this kind of stuff. We'll try again. Yeah, this is a sum column. No problem at all. This is open, this is closed, this is open, this is closed. Opening, but this is the mistake. People are looking at but not telling anything. anything. The spaces does not matter. It is okay. Yeah. A value 22, B value 55. So A value is not a greater than B value. Okay. So same thing again. We'll write here. So run. A value is 44. B value 33. A is greater than B. Now A is 66. B is 88. So A is not greater than B. The else statements. What if both are same? What if both are same? Okay, 55, 55. Now it is A is not a greater than B, but both are equal. Both are equal. Okay, so we have some different kind of like a else if. This is else if statement. Else if and nested if statements we can give. It means second test it is going to. Okay. Else if statement. Else if statement. If you have a third statement inside in this same program, okay. Else if $A is less than $B, so then A is less than B, and else echo A and B are equal. So why it is showing this kind of stuff? So there is a mistake. The space compound. Okay, so this is our complete program. Save it, run it. A value 44, B value 55. Okay, I can run it. A value 77, B value also 77, A and B are good. So A value is less than B here, but here it is A value, B value equals. Same program we implement most at present. Okay, so there is a symbols like what is this kind of stuff, what is dollar kind of stuff, those kind of stuff is there, but okay, so leave it. So again 77, 33. A is greater than B. Okay, so 55, 123. A value is greater than B. Why? In these two conditions, so there is some mistake. If A is greater than B, A is greater than B. If A is less than B, then A is less than B, right? Then why it is showing like that? It is showing 55, 66. I think it is not taking as a integer. I think so. So it is, look at here, it is 99, 9, 12. It not understanding the value as an integer. So compulsory, this is integer. You should take it as integer. How to tell it? Take that one as the integer. You have to take integer. Try. Error is okay. Trying like this. Now 44. Yeah, big column, we got it. Way to number. Okay, now it is working. Try again. So 9, 12. A is less than B. Very good. 99. So 123. A is less than B. So A is 112. B is 89. So very good. Now it is working. So see, this is how to put a integer. So telling it's a integer. Okay, 129, 129, and we are equal. That is the way you should learn the any kind of programming. Else if changing it. So this is, if you are telling this is a integer, take it as an integer. That's the only one thing. So this is if-else statement. So we don't have much time. Okay. I have a meeting at 6 o'clock. Either it is I have or not. We'll see. Okay, guys, this is about your thing. Okay, if kind of stuff. This is, you can try yourself. This is the next one, switch statement. Okay, what is this switch? Switch is like a 1 kind of expression, different block of kind of stuff. Like it's like a multiplexing type. Start expression, verify the expression, check the which case you want to operate, and then it is go like this. Switch which day like this. If you want to try, you can try it also. You can easily do it. Okay. So I have taken a variable, so why it is showing the wrong way? Okay. Color day equal to 3 is taken 3. No. So case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4, like this. 1. If I select day is equal to 1, then display this one. Day is equal to 2, like this. By default, no date kind of stuff is there. Okay. So it is a 1. Echo statements 1 is like a Sunday. Or we can switch anything. So why we take this same example? You can take multiple examples also, but no problem. So I will try. My problem is I'm very weak in a weak spelling also. I'm trying. So okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So the variable is 3. So save it, run it. So it is something like a Tuesday 3. Okay. So in our calendar, little bit like a different thing. So when I say like a no. So we'll put a read host kind of stuff. Okay, read host A, run. So script that you have to run will be saved. Okay. Day is 6, Friday. Okay, Friday. You want to run from here. Script file switch. Okay, so day 2, Monday. Okay, this is the switch. So yeah, now 3-4 minutes I will get a. So this is a switch part. Just an examples only I'm giving. Okay. You can write in a the switch part in a different manner also. Like you want to try, you can try like this. You create a new one. Same switch only. You can put it like this. Dollar. Something like which class? Or read host class. Okay, switch or a class. So here it is. First one is echo networking. Networking. The second one is echo Windows 10. I'm not doing anything newly, so same thing only, different way I'm writing. It's like a Linux. Fourth one, echo storage. Okay. Instead of echo means it's a display that line, right? So you can give another condition also. So 1, 2, 4. Okay. So then run it. So it is asking which class. So I put a third one, Linux. Okay. Again I'm running. Which class? Fifth one. It is not there. No output. So 1, 2, 4 only. You have to select it. Okay. So depends upon instead of this, you can give some block of code also. Okay. So this is a mainly switch. So here it is. You can give default also like this. You can give default also. Look at here. So I got some message. Okay, a meeting is started. My meeting is started. Something is. So I am using here it is default. Echo enter 1, 2, 4 only. Okay. This. No, single quotes, right? So same thing. I am running. So I am putting a 7. So it is enter 1, 2, 4 only. Again I'm running. Now I put a 3. So Linux. Sir. Sir. Hello. Channel ready again on answer. Okay. Guys, I have to attend a meeting. So if you have any doubts, any doubt kind of stuff, ask me tomorrow. So, okay. If you want, you can try. Okay. If you want, you can try remaining loops and all. Guys, understand or not?
Yes, sir.